Now we will multiply sets of binomials using what many people call the FOIL method. It stands for the first, so we're going to multiply the two first terms together. The O is for the outside. We're going to multiply the outside terms together second. The I stands for the inside terms. We're going to multiply them together third. And then finally, L stands for last. We're going to multiply the last two terms. This is the identical process that was listed in the video before when we were multiplying a binomial by a binomial, but it is often referred to as FOIL, so I wanted to show you that. X times x is x squared. X times positive 12 would be positive 12x. Positive 7 times x would be positive 7x. Positive 7 times positive 12 would be positive 84. 12 is 10 plus 2, so 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 2 is 14. 70 plus 14 is 84. Note that these two binomials each started with an x to the first power and then had a constant added to them. When your binomials are similar in structure like that, you will have two terms in the middle very often that need to be combined, and we would need to do that here. So we would re-express this entire polynomial as x squared plus 19x plus 84. We're going to go through the same process with these other binomials. 3x times 2x would be 6x squared. 3x times positive 5 would be positive 15x. Negative 1 times 2x would be negative 2x, noting again that because of the structure of these, an x to the first term and then a constant term, an x to the first term and then a constant term, the middle terms are going to be able to combine. Finally, the last step, we would take the last two terms together, negative 1 times positive 5, and that's negative 5. We would need to re-express this by combining those like terms in the middle, so we can restate it as 6x squared plus 13x minus 5. At the bottom, same idea, except now we have two different variables. It doesn't matter, we're still going to approach it the same way, and because we have an a to the first and then a b to the first term, an a to the first and a b to the first, we should be able to combine like terms in the middle. A times a is a squared. A times positive 12b is positive 12ab. Notice how I keep the variables in alphabetical order. The inside terms, negative 2b times a, that would be negative 2ab. Again, these are going to combine. Some students, because the b comes first, will rewrite this as negative 2ba and won't necessarily recognize that the middle terms combine. If you're looking out for the structure of these being identical and that leading to combined like terms in the middle, you will avoid that error. Negative 2b, the last terms, times positive 12b would be negative 24b squared. Again, I need to combine the like terms in the middle. A squared plus 10ab minus 24b squared. This polynomial is in the correct order because we're going to rank them according to the alphabet. So A comes before B, so it is going to be the leading term, and it is to the second power. This next term has an A to the first power in it, so it will follow. After that, we will handle the only other term that is left, the B term.